lots going on with this van, but you can see we've got some issues with the flatting from the body shop here that needs sorting out before I polish the rest of it. I've had to work loads of them out, but I'm not working that out. They can do it. But we're getting there. The calipers are being done while I'm polishing. So this is all ready. I've still got this side to polish. Slow going this job is, but basically it's from all these, I don't know if you could see the light spots. It's where they haven't flatted, and they've nibbed them but haven't flatted the rough marks out properly. So it's causing me grief trying to cut it back. I've managed to save this panel. And it's starting to look okay. But it's up to me to make their job look good. And I'm sure it will by the time I'm finished. It just takes a lot of time when you're encountering that sort of preparation. Not very good. Told them never bring me another one like this again. Prep it properly if you want me to work on it. Should have prepped it myself, but like all body shops, they're going to pay somebody else to prep something. Right, I'll get on. I'm doing the back doors now while they're doing the calipers, so I started polishing around the back door, so I can get on with some while they're painting them. See you later. Here's a quick look at how things are progressing. I'm back on this door now. As you can see, the body shop have been round and nibbed some of the bits of dirt out, and they've done some here but walked away without doing that. So although the top of everything has been done, this rear quarters finished, the one back door finished. I'm going to get on and now try and complete this door, and if I have to tomorrow I'll flat this myself because I can't keep waiting, it's slowing me down. The only good thing now is the paint's hard enough for me to use the rotary, which speeds things up trying to cut the paint back, because to be honest it's not the best finish in the world, as you can probably tell. You can't really tell when I show you the flatted areas, but it's not the best finish I've ever seen. And I'm not going to blame perfection, because this was a guest painter that painted this. So what I'm basically trying to do is improve it. I mean, it looks more like OEM finish, and it's a damn sight better than the finish that was really off the gun. To be fair, if Perfection had painted it, it probably would have looked better straight off the gun, but it is what it is, and we're getting on doing it, but it's gonna look nice when it's done. So there we are. I'll show you tomorrow the progress. I'm gonna try and get this door done before I finish for the evening, and then that'll leave that panel to do tomorrow. I can start knuckling down to the other side of the vehicle. Well, thanks for watching these, if you have been watching them, and I'm sure at the end of it it'll look lovely, because it won't leave here unless it does. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.